Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today we're going to draw an insect, an amazing butterfly.
Hi everyone, are you ready to get started?
Let's start with a circle for the head. Draw two big eyes.
They help me see flowers and avoid hungry birds.
Butterflies don't have real mouths, but let's give a happy smile.
I love smile.
Draw the antennae at the top of the head.
That helps me smell the sweetest flowers.
Fantastic! Next is the body.
It's long and thin, connecting my head to wings.
Perfect! Draw two big wings on each side of the body.
They help me fly and flutter around gardens and fields.
And the coolest thing about wings is all the amazing patterns they can have.
They help us camouflage and hide from predators.
So, what kind of food do you like to eat?
We love sipping nectar from flowers with our long tongues like a straw.
Butterflies are basically flying flower sippers.
We help flowers grow too by carrying pollen from one flower to another.
Oh. Draw some flowers and leaves. Make the lines darker to make the butterfly stand out. Now comes the fun part, coloring.
Oh, I love all colors.
Pink face. Red mouth. Rainbow color body. Multicolor wings. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Green. Blue. Indigo. Violet. Light pink. Burgundy color. Look at those beautiful butterflies, everyone. They're all so unique.
See you all soon. Remember, learning about the wonders of nature.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time.